on the interactive flat panel we are observing what? Cell division in human being. So Nandu, in our body what are present? Cells are present. Cells are present. Many cells are present. Billions and billions of cells are present. And these cells are divided and redivide and continuation of cell division takes place. Suppose if a child is born, you see child is very small in size. So in course of time, every year child grows. So cell division takes place. Small child grows and become what? He become what? She or he become what? An adult. So here growth may we observe up to 20 years. Girls 18, boys 20 years. So after 20 years, cell growth, cell division is regulated. So here you see cell division is highly regulated. So cell division takes place in body whenever necessary, but not divide continuously. So it is regulated after 20 years. And here I am telling you what is the lifespan of RBC, red blood cells. The lifespan of RBC cells, red blood cells is 120 days. After 120 days, RBC cells they are destroyed in the liver. And next we are observing what? Cell cycle. This is important. This is important. So here you see, this is not interface. This is old textbook. In new textbook what is given? Cell cycle is given. In new textbook what is given? Cell cycle is given but not interface. This is wrong. Old textbook it is given wrong. So this is what? Cell cycle what? Diagram. So here you see cell cycle consists of, so what? Some stages. So this is called, all of you listen carefully, this is called G1 and this is called S and this is called G2, this is called M. So like that, how many phases are there? 4. So cell cycle, the cell division is the shortest. So the process of cell division is called mitosis. What is mitosis? The process of cell division is called mitosis, and which is completed in 40 to 60 minutes. So here you see time period is given, and you need to understand about a 2-mark question. What is interface? 2-mark question. What is interface? Here you see the period between the 2 cell division is called what? Interface. The period between the 2 cell division is called interface. So this is the actual period. Here you see synthesis of genetic material takes place. Formation of new genetic material takes place. So here you need to understand about what is interface. Interface is the period between the 2 cell division is called interface. And interface has 3 phases. So what are they? Number 1 you see. This is G1 phase. So G1 phase is about 10.5 hours. So for completion of G1 phase, how many hours are required? 10.5 hours are required. 10.5 hours are required. So what is G1 phase? This is the linking period between the completion of mitotic division and beginning of DNA replication. Here in the cell, DNA replicate takes place. And you see what? This information. And DNA replication takes place and the cell size increases. So that is the G1 phase. So this is what is G1 phase? This is period between completion of mitotic division and beginning of DNA replication. Cell size increases. And next stage is S phase. Next is S phase. So this is what? Synthesis of DNA takes place. And replication of what? Chromosome takes place. Replication of chromosome takes place. And duplication of chromosome takes place. DNA synthesis takes place. And next G2. This is the time period between the end of the DNA replication and beginning of mitotic cell division. And last one, you see what is M phase. And this is mitotic cell division. And this division consists of prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. So mitotic cell division is how many phases? 4. What are they? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Today we discuss what? Cell cycle. So cell cycle consists of how many stages? G1, S, G2, M. G1 means growth stage. S means synthesis. G2 means growth stage. M is mitotic cell division. So mitotic cell division consists of how many stages? 4. What are they? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Thank you.